for the drive.
Here's a smaller wrench.
Hey, Mike, I'll see you down the road.
I'll see you today.
Yeah. I won't.
That's what I said, I had wrenches for.
Hey, we've just come into the lunch stop at, where are we, West Virginia?
Yeah.
At a little place called Williamstown, and that's, I'm from Williamstown in Melbourne, Australia. So it's quite fitting that that we're here.
That's kind of weird.
Yeah, it is. But anyway, we've cracked our fuel tank again, so we're just doing a little bit of a jerry rig on the side here, and I've got quite a few of the locals here have all chipped in, and we've got a peanut Sportster tank, and just putting that on and cut the fuel line, so we've bypassed the original tank on it, and we're just now getting ready to go back out on the road and refuel it and see how it goes. We've just got to strap this thing on and make sure it doesn't wobble too far. But the bike's going well. It's just after yesterday's episode with the tank, it's I've just given up on it now. Yeah. But anyway, having fun. It's cannonballing, isn't it? Do you think before we tape it up we should put some fuel in it to see if it leaks?
Old school.
We're still going up?
So far, so good, no leaks. Any leaks in that line anywhere?
Nope, not here. See a
I don't see
thing.
anything leaking.
Awesome.
Right, the sticky tape the thing up.
They call this state West by God, Virginia.
I was actually thinking you had the best roads in the world here coming through. It was after last night's exercise on the bike. I wasn't really enjoying this, but today riding through your roads in West Virginia, it was that's what cannonballing's about. It's just absolutely lovely. Have that mist in your face, and we went up over the mountain, and then along the river. So, and the good thing is this tank actually holds more than my original one. I've still got room for more fuel.
Get it coming off.
Get the cutting torch out. That's what you better do with that thing.
Yeah, well, as I said, we'll get a Sharpie and we'll get all you guys to sign it where you are, or put a little arrow of your map, or yeah.
I got a nice killer right off.
Yeah.
He's been telling us all.
Okay. I'll come back up here or I'll go down there. Okay. Be all right? You're going to have some bright bikes with you, though.
I'll ride until my wife tells me I can't.
Yeah, I reckon we'll be off in about 10 minutes. Just clean up and thank everyone, and hopefully this tank's just going to put a bit more gaffer tape on it, and hopefully it'll hold.